this is my new laptop. It's HP laptop, HP Pavilion 15, model CS0033TX. On the left we have one USB Type C, network Ethernet port, and HDMI. And then we have two USB 3.0 at the right and one power jack. That's it. There is no DVD slot. We have backlight keyboard, a full size keyboard with number pad. The screen is IPS LED, right? It's a 15.6 inch. The speaker is Bang & Olufsen HP, but it's not really Bang & Olufsen speaker. It's more likely tuned by Bang & Olufsen, but the speaker is made by HP. The sound is not that powerful. I can show you how does it sounds like. Sorry. The sound is not much different than normal laptop. I think the B&O that mentioned here by HP is only software tuning, not really into the speaker itself. While this is my previous Asus laptop, it's already been I think 6 years with me. It's already spoiled because of the power issue. Now this speaker equipped also with Bang & Olufsen. Same as HP, the speaker is made by Asus. I think I forget what is Asus something, but the amplifier is made by Bang & Olufsen, Ice Power. Total power of 11 watts. Is very strong sound laptop. I mean, the speaker is really loud. It can pull a classroom size classroom size, whatever you call it. It's very loud, and I think so far the loudest speaker that I've heard so far is from Asus N56VZ. That's all. But for this HP, it sounds just like a normal laptop. You don't expect much from this logo. I actually don't expect that I'm buying HP, but because I buy because of the design is good, it's look modern. Another thing is because of the sound card. The HP hardly use Realtek sound card, but on this unit they use Realtek sound card. So for those people who love to mod audio, they know why you will know why I choose Realtek, basically, because Realtek easily to mod your sound system. You can put Dolby or DTS software inside, mod the sound card chip will accept. But for IDT and connection sound chip, you very hard to get mod or software. So that's why I choose this laptop. First is the design, and secondly because of the sound chip they use Realtek. On the panel, actually this panel is a metal. This is metal. This is also aluminum metal. At the back is plastic. Also the hinge is plastic. The screen actually will touch the floor. I mean the floor of this laptop. If you swivel it, right, the screen is very sturdy. It's not much a wobble. All right. So this laptop actually the same size screen, but as you can see the HP is small because of the bezel is thin. All right. So please continue to watch for the video how I open this laptop and upgrade all the HDD and the RAM. The two items we will put into this laptop. All right. So this one is a 4 gig DDR4. data is just a budget RAM. No much high spec or fancy spec. It's just a normal. So this is basically SSHD. It's a hybrid hard disk drive. It have 8 gig SSD element on it, to do faster catching and stuff. So we'll put on this unit. By the way, I already do this one. I already duplicate the OS and all the system to this unit using Clonezilla. I think if you never heard of the Clonezilla, you can just Google it. A lot of people do the tutorial out there. So see how fast it will go after the upgrade. You can see there's only 6 screw here holding this laptop cover together. You have Phillips screw here, 3 of them in the front. They are very small Phillips screw. 2 at the rubber pit hidden under here, and just 1 here. So after you remove this, you can pop this cover up. So we'll see on the inside. I managed to make it open. This is all the case at the back. I might broke some of the clips. I think just once. I'm good so far, no scratches. I made it slowly, but of course once you open, you will never get it back as what it previously should be. I just broke, I think, one of the clip in the hinge. So this is the inside of this HP Pavilion 15 CS0033TX. The battery unit, and then this is the hard disk which I want to replace. You see now, this is the M.2 slot. It supports M.2 slot, but I don't have budget to buy M.2 slot for the timing. The Wi-Fi card, and surprisingly it has 2 fan blower. Okay, so this is the speaker. The speaker actually sounds very bad. It's actually Bang & Olufsen sound, but I believe it's not. It's just a software based tuning made by Bang & Olufsen. The rest of the speaker is made by HP. It sounds very bad, I tell you. It's my phone is louder than the speaker of this laptop, and then HP with Bang & Olufsen has more powerful sound compared to this unit. Okay, so without further ado, let's do it. Get this bad guy up. I managed to put the hard disk, the SSHD, into this casing tray, the laptop tray hard disk. So this is the Seagate SSHD, and this is the original hard disk, the Toshiba. And just for an advice, if you guys seeing this like a woven cable like this, a woven tape like this, please do not interfere with this. This is actually a laptop grounding material. If you interfere with this, your laptop grounding will be issue, and your laptop will shut down oftenly because of the floating charge. Okay, so just be careful when you see this tape. Do not try not to interfere or remove it. Everything now on places. So as usual, before we cover the lid up, it's better for us to boot the laptop and see does it do as what we planned. So let us boot now in this position, so the electronic doesn't interfere with the tables or whatever. So easy for you to monitor as well. So just press the on button and see if it's boot. Okay, it's now booting up. Alright, that's a good sign. I saw the HP logo. And remember guys, now it's booting on the cloned hard disk. Alright, so it should deliver fast booting after several attempts of booting, because it's SSHD. It will recache everything necessary file onto its 8 GB portion of SSD. That HDD light is so bright. The HDD activity light is so bright, and the cooler doesn't spin. Oh, I see. It's not all the time the cooler was spinning. Only when necessary, I think. So far, is the one cooler only spinning. And we already in, by the way. So let's close the lid up.